Hello, this is Kailas, your English trainer, and you are watching Spoken English Master. Today I am not going to teach you any kind of grammatical rule because today I am going to share with you a few important things. That is how to become fluent in English. Okay, in this lockdown period, lockdown is going on. Though nationwide lockdown is not going on, but there are so many places where still lockdown is going on and people are not feeling free to go outside. We have to maintain our social distance and we are getting afraid to go outside nowadays. So we are staying at home, and the biggest problem is we are not able to attend any kind of classes. Like we are not able to go to school, we are not able to go to college, we are not able to attend any kind of class at university also. So it's a big problem. So how to utilize that time properly? How to make your English 10 times better in this lockdown period? I'm going to share with you 5 tips, okay? 5 suggestions I'm going to share with you, which will definitely help you be fluent in English. So don't go anywhere. Keep watching this video till the end if you really want to improve your English, okay? So without wasting time, let's get started. Subscribe to Spoken English Master to get more videos like this. My first point is, in this lockdown period, you can increase the reading time. What is reading time? Reading time means you can start reading newspaper, means you have to read more and more. According to me, the more you read, the more you learn. If you really want to increase your knowledge in English language or anything, okay, if you want to know, you have to read more and more. So in this case, what you can do, you can start reading newspaper. I don't know how many of you read newspaper. It's very important thing, and if you are able to build this habit, it will definitely be helpful for you. Okay, if you are not reading newspaper, start reading it from today. Or if you are reading newspaper, you can comment below which newspaper do you follow. Or if you want, you can read any kind of storybook also, which is very interesting. Okay, you can spend your idle time. You are not able to go outside, means you are feeling bored. I know that. So you can read some storybooks, and those stories should be in English. Okay, don't read any kind of Hindi story or like Bengali story or any other native language. Okay, you have to read storybooks in English. Okay, which can entertain you as well as which can make you fluent in English. Okay, so utilize the time in this way. My next point is, as you know that we have to maintain our social distance, we cannot go anywhere, but we have cell phone, right? We have internet technology, right? So how can we use it? You can find 1 or 2 friends who really want to learn English like you. You are watching this video, that means what? You really want to be fluent in English, I know that, but you are not getting the opportunity. You are not getting the proper environment. So maybe like you, many students are facing the same problem. Maybe your friends are also facing the same problem. Talk to them and ask them to talk to you over phone, isn't it? If you talk to them over phone, they will definitely get benefited, as well as you will definitely get benefited from this. Okay, not like that all the time you have to have some topics to speak in English. Okay, generally I have seen so many students, they say, sir, give me a topic, give us a topic to speak. Not like that all the time. You don't have to have any topic. In Hindi, when we speak Hindi, do we have any topic? Do we speak on any topic? No, we have what? We have general conversation. The same thing should happen in English also, isn't it? Generally, like whenever you are talking to your friend, do you talk on any particular topic? No, normal conversation. Talk to, how are you? What you are doing? What did you do today? This kind of things. Very easy. And if you do so, I can guarantee you, your speaking standard will definitely be improved. You will definitely get benefited. My third point is the most important point. That is, try to listen to English language more and more. What I want to say? See, whenever you are staying at home, nowadays you are staying at home, you can put earphone, okay, in your ear, and you can listen to any English story, you can listen to any comedy video, whatever, you can listen, okay. If you listen, this will definitely help you be fluent in English, okay. Those who are very good listener, they are very good speaker too. So what you have to do, you have to be a good listener first if you want to be a good speaker. So try to listen to something, okay. Do you listen to music? Do you prefer to listen to music? What kind of music do you prefer to listen? You can comment below. I'll see. My fourth point is for those students who are already doing any kind of English course. Like in our country, so many institutes are there who are which are providing like English course, okay, or speaking course. So like if you have already taken, though I am not recommending you, but still if you have already taken any course, if you are doing any course, but for like due to lockdown period or due to this problem, you are not able to attend any kind of classes, you can tell them, you can request them that to give any kind of online classes. Nowadays so many platforms are there, so many apps have come, okay, so you can tell them to conduct their classes online, okay, or you can also, if you have any friend circle, okay, like you have 5 to 6 friends, okay, if you have only 1 or 2, then so I have told you second point, you can apply that one. If you have more than 7, 8, 10 friends, you can do video conferencing, okay. In this way you can be fluent in English, and trust me students, this is really very helpful if you do video conferencing. Or if you are doing any class, you can request your teacher or you can request your like institute to conduct this kind of classes. Many institutes have already started doing this kind of things, okay, so you can try to take the advantage from these things. My fifth point is, in this lockdown period you are getting bored, I know that. So what you have to do, you have to watch movies. Not in Hindi, not in Bengali, or not in any other language. You have to watch movies in English. Hollywood movies you can watch, okay. Or you can do one thing, that is, if you are watching Hindi movies or any other, okay, native language, then what you can do, you can follow subtitles, okay. Or like if you are new, if you are a beginner, just you have started watching English movies, then you will face some problems. You can also follow subtitles in this case, okay. That will definitely help you apprehend the meaning, what they exactly want to say. Apprehend means understand. It will definitely help you to understand it better, okay. And one thing though, like if you are watching movies, you are spending your time properly, you are happy. If you are watching movies, that means you are not getting bored, as well as you are learning English. So this is a very good thing that you can do in this lockdown period. You can watch many types of Hollywood movies, okay. Do you watch Hollywood movies? If you watch, what is your favorite movie? You can comment below, I'll see it. So these are my 5 points. If you follow these things, I can guarantee you in this lockdown period, you can make your English 10 times better. Just follow these steps for 1 or 2 months. I can guarantee you, it will definitely help you be fluent in English. And it will definitely help you to increase your knowledge in English. And one thing I just want to share before finishing the video, you can say that it's number 6 point, okay. But I would not like to say like this. This point is like before going to bed, means before sleeping, what you have to do, you have to tell whatever you have done on that particular day. Suppose you have woken up at about 6 a.m, then you went to market, then you came back from there, you have purchased something, whatever you have done on that particular day, you need to tell before going to bed. If you do so for 2 or 3 months, I can guarantee you, your speaking power will definitely improve. If it does not happen, you can tell me. It will definitely happen, okay. Just do it for 2 or 3 months, and then you will comment below that how much improvement you have got. Or if you want to increase your knowledge in case of grammatical rules, we have uploaded so many videos on our channel. You can go to playlist, or you can check our description box, okay. So many videos we have already uploaded. You can watch each and every video. These videos will definitely be helpful for you. You will definitely get benefited if you watch each and every video, okay. So that's all for today. Next day again we will meet having new topic, okay. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. And last thing that I want to say, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you. Thanks for watching.